We, as creators, always wanted to create appealing video and contents. We always wanted to achieve that cinematic colors. What I have noticed in the most of the outstanding creators is, aside from their skills, they are very well versed in maximizing the use of colors. Colors can make a huge impact in our shots, and I'm here to share with you my experience on what are the best time to capture those beautiful cinematic colors. What is golden hour? It is often called as magical hour. It is the period of time where the color of the sky goes from red-orange to yellow. It gives a really nice warm temperature. Golden hour is usually romantic and more emotional heightened time. Every time I shoot, and if time permits, I always choose to shoot either early in the morning, where the sun is just about to rise, and late in the afternoon where the sun is about to set. It gives me this very popular orange and teal effect in my videos that adds a lot of visual interest in my composition. The soft light is great for filming and for taking photos because it is friendly to dynamic range. And because the contrast is less during the golden hour, shadows are less dark and highlights are less likely to be overexposed. As a hybrid shooter, the warm color of the sun is often considered desirable to enhance the colors of the scene. It is the best time of the day for natural photography or for video when diffused and warm light is desired. Just make sure to be prepared because shooting in golden hour is just a window of time. Make sure you already planned your shots or already bring necessary gears with you. That's all, and keep shooting and chasing sunsets.